Struggling with the stress of moving? Worried about packing, transporting, or settling into your new space? We get it. Moving can be overwhelming. That's where Bayou Movers comes in as your ultimate solution. At Bayou Movers, we specialize in turning moving chaos into a seamless, stress-free experience. Whether it's a residential move, office relocation, or handling delicate specialty items, our expert team is here to ensure everything goes off without a hitch. We proudly serve Houston and every corner of Texas, offering reliable, professional moving services tailored to your needs. From carefully packing your belongings to safely transporting them and delivering on time, we've got every detail covered. No job is too big or too small for us. We treat your belongings like they're our own because we know how much they mean to you. Your peace of mind is our priority, and we're proud to be Houston and Texas's trusted moving partner. Ready to leave the stress behind? Visit BayouMoversTX.com to get a free quote. Explore our services and book your move today. Bayou Movers, the movers you can rely on. Let's move forward together.